We are on Pesachim, Perek Zayin, Mishnah Hey, 5th Mishnah in the 7th chapter of Pesachim. We're continuing to discuss the rules regarding the offering of the Korban Pesach. We talked about it, the Korban being brought b'tumah. We're going to talk about it in another Mishnah. But now what happens if you bring it b'tahara? Regular year, you're offering the Korban Pesach b'tahara. What happened is, you shechted the Korban Pesach, they collected the blood, they didn't offer yet on the Mizbeach, but between then, nitma basar, the meat, the flesh of the Korban Pesach became tamei. V'hachelev kayam, but you had already separated the fats that are offered on the Mizbeach. I mean, you pulled it apart, right? You took out all the guts and you're ready to, for whatever reason, they didn't do zrika right away, which sounds unusual, but they didn't do it yet. So the basar is tamei. You can't eat the basar, it's pasul. It can't be eaten, but the chelev, the fats that are brought in the Mizbeach, they can be brought. Eino zoreket adam. Then, you don't do zrika. Why? The Bartunah says, the ikar pesach la'achilat adam ati. The essence of the korban is eating. So if the essence of the offering is not going to be offered, then you don't do zrikat adam on the Mizbeach. Because that says a zrika, that's not ru'uyah. It's not appropriate. But, nitma ha'chelev ba'basar kayam. What if the opposite was true? If the chelev became fat, so you can't burn it on the Mizbeach. The fats are not offered on the Mizbeach. But the basar is kayam, but the flesh can be eaten, then zoreket adam, because even though you can't, the same principle, even though you can't bring the chelev, you have to burn it outside the Beit HaMikdash. Nonetheless, the basar is there and you are going to eat it, so therefore the ikar korban is there. The ikar korban is still useful, therefore you do zrikat adam, so therefore the zrikat adam, the spilling of the blood in the Mizbeach, allows the person to then go and eat the basar. Uba mukdashin, enoke, in regular korban, it is exactly the opposite. Even if the basar of the korban became tamei and the person can't eat it, as long as the chelev is kayam, the parts that are offered in Mizbeach are still not tamei, then you do zrikat adam. Then the essential korban is there. Okay, you do zrikat adam because the essence of regular korbanot is the chelev as opposed to Korban Pesach where it's the eating of the animal. We'll stop here and dedicate our learning to memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman.